In the first module, we're going to be looking at something called the goal-directed design process, and the textbook for this course about FACE really unpacks what that process is. It's very much a user-centered design process where we're not so much focused on task-oriented design, but we're focused on users and what the user's goals are and the user experience. After all, one of the things that you'll start to see in this course and in other courses in this particular certificate and perhaps in other areas of design that you may find yourself in is that it's more and more becoming about the user and not so much about the product. In other words, the product, by focusing on the user and the user experience and what the user wants and what their goals are and their desires, we can craft a better product, in this case a digital product, that actually will in turn end up becoming something that users actually really love because it's meeting their needs, it's allowing them to accomplish their goals. It sort of becomes a part of their everyday life, so to speak. So we take a sort of a deep dive into some of the ins and outs of what make up the goal-directed design process. But like I said, at its core, we're looking at an extreme focus on the users. We're going to be looking at things like personas, which are sort of a fictitious but representative model of different user groups, and what they want and what they desire and what their goals are. And then we're going to be looking at user scenarios and how do these users go about their everyday life, and where do the needs arise that they have where that intersect with what this particular digital product that you're designing could help meet. As those things begin to come together, you begin to see that it's a crucial step in the overall prototyping process, the process of designing and developing a digital product.